Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well. I welcome you to an interesting video. Here we are going to teach you how to unleash your creativity. So just grab all of your sheets together and make these beautiful snails and all. Let's proceed towards our next item. Get the circular cutouts and some eyes and then the forelegs and the hind legs in this manner. Paste the eyes on the top and then make the mouth of a frog, the face part, and then here you need to get the sheets, splits, and then make the zigzag patterns in this form. You need to paste it in this manner and then on the top you need to paste it in this way and then attach the face part. Now here you need to paste the legs and hands in this manner and this is gonna look absolutely pretty. Now here what are we going to do? Get the splits and arrange it into the shape of a ball, that to a spongy one, and then here what you need to do, you need to just secure the sheets in this way and here you need to get the splits like this. Make it a little spongy and then get the mouth part as well and get the cutouts. You need to paste the wings behind and on the top of it paste it in this manner and then the beak part. This is gonna look cute. You need to attach all the cutouts in this form and make it look even more interesting. Cute, right? Keep on proceeding. Now here what are we up to? You just have to make the beautiful lovely wings of a butterfly. Now attach them in this form and you need to get the different colors and then get it over another sheet as well. Just get it pasted along the corners. You need to get the cutouts in this manner and this is gonna look absolutely pretty. Now here you need to paste it in between and this is gonna look adorable. Now here get the sheet plates, make the cylindrical rolls, little one, and then you need to attach them one over the other in this manner. Keep on attaching it like this in the form of cylindrical rolls and make a chain like this. Then you need to get it in this manner. This is gonna look absolutely cute and lovely caterpillar. Then you need to make it sit on the leaf part in this way and then attach it in this manner. This is gonna look absolutely pretty. Keep on proceeding. Now here with the help of this sheet you need to get the cuts in this form. Further make the lines and all in this manner. Get them beautifully attached in this way. You need to get the splits in the cutouts in this manner. Let's have a look what are we going to do. Just get the splits in the body like this and then just get the splits with the help of the scissors. Then you need to open it up and then you can even enjoy playing with it. Now here you have to get a sheet and then gently pressing it with the help of your fingers. Get the sheets attached like this and let's have a look. Here you have to make the splits of a ladybug and then you need to attach it in this form. This is gonna look cute and here you need to paste the antennas as well and this will just make it look even more amazing and cute, isn't it? Keep on proceeding. Now here you need to get the sheet cutouts of this dimension. Make it a little curvy from the top and then you need to fold them up in this manner. Rotate them into the form of a cylindrical roll like this and then on the top you need to make the face part, the ears, eyes and then the mouth as well. Just paste it in this manner on the top of this and then make the tail. This is gonna look adorable cat.